High temperatures are in the upper 30s this morning for us here in the southern Willamette Valley. And when you head over to Central Oregon, you guys are even cooler. 22 this morning in Redmond, 27 in Bend. We are seeing several folks in the 20s all the way over to the eastern side of the state. The Burns area being the coolest at just 21 degrees this morning. That is just downright cold. We're 38 here in Eugene, 41 in Roseburg. And when you get out to the coast, folks there in the mid to upper 40s. Now, we have seen our winds change quite a bit here over the past 24 hours. They're calm all the way down the I-5 corridor from Corvallis to Roseburg here, even pretty light there along the coast. And that is a sign that we're starting to see some changes here in our weather pattern. We did have a thermal trough sitting on top of us the last couple of days that helped to reinforce those northeast winds, as did this area of high pressure that was sitting just offshore. Now that has started to slide back to the north and back to the west, and as it does, that pressure gradient is starting to light up a little bit. As it does, those winds calm down, which allows our temperatures to drop even further here overnight. Now, that high pressure is still going to be the dominant feature here as we head into the weekend. Jet stream, you can see, is still well to the north of us, and that means sunny, dry conditions are definitely going to stick with us all the way through next week. No storms in sight. But we do have this area of low pressure that's going to move here into northern California, southern Oregon over the weekend, and then move over to the east. It'll be just close enough to help to reinforce that onshore flow, bring back the marine layer along the coast, and eventually help to warm us up overnight a little bit further as we see a few clouds move in. But again, the changes are going to be pretty gradual and pretty minor. This morning, Coos Bay seeing a few clouds overhead. That marine layer reforming along the coast here today all the way through this evening. By Saturday morning, a few of those clouds will try and sneak into the valley. Anything that makes it over here will burn off very quickly. We'll see sunny skies Saturday afternoon, and then we'll see that pattern again Sunday and all the way through next week, at least until Thursday. So high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s for you. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Winds will be from the west there at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Seeing in the upper 50s and low 60s here through the next week. Overnight lows down in the low to mid 40s. The Umpqua Basin back into the mid 70s today. Sunny skies overhead. Winds also light for you folks today. And you'll drop to the low 70s starting on Sunday through next week. A few clouds in the morning, and that's about it. Overnight lows will get back into the mid 40s. For the Cascades, high temperatures there still in the low 60s, even though starting out quite chilly, close to that freezing mark. And you'll continue to see those winds from the east one more day today. Central Oregon, low 60s, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunny skies overhead, and it'll be very chilly tonight. I expect to drop down to about 21, just 27 Saturday and Sunday nights. But those high temperatures eventually getting back into the low 70s here by the middle part of next week. And at the same time, you'll see those overnight lows get back above freezing as well. For the valley, we are going to be in the mid 70s again today. Pretty much a carbon copy of yesterday. Winds a little bit lighter, though, from the north, 5 to 10 miles per hour. I do expect chilly conditions under clear skies and light winds tonight, dropping to about 34. Saturday, a repeat of that, with the exception we could see a few clouds early in the day. And then Sunday, all the way through Thursday, highs in the low 70s, overnight lows down near 40 degrees. Definitely staying dry, but we are going to see just a few morning clouds, and that's about it.